Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Code for Kids. How are you all? How was your day? I hope you're enjoying your day. So, in this video, we are going to be learn one main concept in Scratch, which is what is sensing block. Why we are using the sensing block. Okay, so it's very simple. Let's get started. Now, who can watch this video? Suppose if you are a beginner or intermediate level, or even if you are in advanced level, then also you can see, because I'm going to just cover what is the sensing block, why we are using the sensing block. So I'm going to show you each and everything that we have in the sensing. Okay. So it's very simple. For example, let me add some characters like I need to delete the cat. So we have to just suppose if you are a very fresher, what you can do. Let me show you how you will get this platform. It's very simple. Just open the Google and search for Scratch. You will get the first link. I'm going to provide you this link in the description box. You can just check it out. Okay. So once you will click on create button, so it will create a new project for you. Just try to press this delete button so that we are able to delete the cat. Okay. Let me delete it first. Yes. Suppose I wanted to add some balloons, like we added the first one. I wanted to add the banana. So this is your sprite. So we can say sprite is nothing but the character. So we can add any character in our project. If you don't know what is sprite, like if you are a very beginner here, I'm going to provide you the link, because in that link I covered entire thing. How to join the scratch, how to sign in, what is the entire area, okay, how to add your sprites, backdrop, each and everything you will get in that link. Okay, so it's very simple. We added it. Let me add one backdrop also. Backdrop is nothing but your background, so we added this. So as you can see, we added three sprite and one backdrop. So sprite is nothing but your character, and the backdrop is nothing but our background. So I need to explain you the sensing. So we cannot apply the sensing block, we can say, with the help of some action, with the help of some event, and with the help of all these block, you can apply your sensing. You cannot apply the sensing alone. So before starting any code, always, if you are a scratcher, if you know little bit about scratch, you need to add some events. So event is nothing but the action. So we need to go to the event, we will add this. Like as you can see, when we will click on this flag, so we need to do something. So like if we will click on the flag, now Now also, if you will go to the sensing, suppose I wanted to ask one question. Let me add this one. Ask means it will ask you something. For example, it is asking you what's your name. If you will click on flag, see, she is asking you what's your name. Suppose you will enter, suppose my name is Shraddha, so I will just enter Shraddha. Now nothing is happened. Why? Because we not added anything now. Okay. So, you have to always remember why we are using this ask block, in order to ask any question. The question can be anything, like what's your name, what's your age, from where you are, like any question. Okay. So, suppose now what we want, if someone will give the reply. Okay, suppose I wanted to just match this answer. So what I will do, just go to the control. Suppose I wanted to apply certain condition. If if, let me add this. So now go to the sensing. If the answer is Shraddha, if the answer is, for example, Shraddha, then we need to say something. So that say block you will get in the looks. Like she will say, hello, Shraddha. So see, we just added certain conditions. So that's why initially I told you, you cannot use your sensing block alone. With the help of some blocks, you have to add it. Now see, if I will run, she is asking what's your name. If I will say my name is Shraddha, okay. Now see, now she will say hello Shraddha. So this is our condition that we added. Like if our answer is whatever you will get, if my answer is Shraddha, then she will say hello Shraddha. Okay. So in this way you can apply certain condition. For example, this is two block that we added. The next block, let me remove it now. Let me remove this one also. Why we are using this touching block? Okay. So over here we have a touching mouse pointer age and your sprite. This two is fixed for all. After that, how many sprite you will add in your project, you will get that number of options. It means if she will touch to any other sprite, or if she will touch the mouse pointer, or if she will touch any age, so what we want to do? Okay, so that we need to add here. Let me show you. Like just go to the control. Now we will just add one condition. When flag is clicked, if she will touch this balloon, we need to just say hello. Okay. Now let me run it. Nothing will happen because she is not touching. But if she will touch this balloon, now run. Now see, she is saying hello. Why? Because now balloon and this girl both are here. So she is touching to the balloon. That's why she is saying hello. So this is our touching one. Okay. Same we can add the color. Like instead of touching the balloon, suppose I want to work with color. If she will touch this green color, then we need to say something. So how you will get this particular color? It's very simple. Click on this blue color first. You will get one pencil option. Can you see it? So see, you have to just click here so that one window will open. Okay, suppose I want the green color, so I will click on this green and automatically the same exact green color you will get here. So this is the next condition. If she will touch to this green color, she will say hello. Let me run it. Now she is not saying, but if I will take if I will take this sprite here, now if I will run, she will say hello. Why? Because she is just touching this green color. Okay. So this is the next one. So same we can apply. Suppose if you have a two colors, like suppose if first color will touch to the second color, then we want to say hello. So that also I am going to show you. Suppose we will take, if banana will touch to this green color, how you will get this banana color? Again click on first color, take this pencil option and just select it. Then we will take this one, select pencil and select green. Now just run. So what will happen? This code you need to add in the banana because we are doing for the banana, right? So now, now see banana is saying hello. Why? Because what we added the code here, if banana, this yellow color will touch to this green color, we need to say something. So this is the third block that we have here. In the same way, we can add this distance. Like suppose if we want anything for this distance, like we have to move 10 step, or in this circle you can add this distance also. Like what is the distance between your sprite and balloon? What is the distance between your sprite and Abby? That you will get the result. Okay. After that, I already explained you this ask and answer. Now we have a key space. Like what I want, if we will use the up arrow, we have to move to the upside. So go to the motion, little bit scroll down, you will get this change. Change y means whenever you want to move up or down, always you need to use the y-axis. Y-axis, if y-axis you have a positive value, it will go to the upside. If y-axis we have a negative value, it will go to the downside. If you want to move for left and right, so for left side, there is a negative value of x-axis because that is the horizontal. So always for horizontal, we are using the x-axis. For vertical, we are using the y-axis. Okay. Now see, when we will click on flag and if I will press the up arrow, banana will move. Okay. What will happen? Banana will move to the upside. Okay. Got it? So in the same way, we can do for down arrow, right arrow, left arrow, or suppose if I will press any key, so what we want to do, that also we can add. Okay. So this is all about your key. Same we can use the mouse down. Like if I will use the mouse down button, it will say something. Same we can use for mouse X and mouse Y. Okay. Then like suppose I want to find out what is my current year, what is the days since 2000, like after 2000, what is the values we have, that also you will get in the sensing. So this is all about our sensing block that you can use in your project. Okay. So in this video we learned what is the sensing block. Like this I created the for all the blocks, like why we are using the motion looks, so you can watch that one also. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest updates. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.